Wild Abundance has multiple parking areas and a limited number of spaces, so please reference this video before your arrival, especially if you are staying on campus and arriving the night before class, as there will not be someone here to direct you. On the first morning of classes, there will be someone stationed at one of the signs, directing you to the lot that makes the most sense for you. We have a lower lot and an upper lot. The lower lot, Lot A, is for students staying off-site or who are car camping. The upper lots, Lots B, C, and D, will be filled first by students who are staying on campus during class. If you are a day student and the lower lot is full, you may park in the appropriate upper lot. Driving down Paint Fork Road, you will see a Wild Abundance sign with an arrow going up Anderson Cove Road. This goes to our upper lots. If you drive a little further down Paint Fork, you will see a sign with a raccoon on it that says Wild Abundance Parking. This is our lower lot. When you enter the lower lot, you will notice orange lines marking the parking spots. Please pull all the way into your spot. We reserve 4 flat spots for sprinter vans or car campers. If you're staying on campus, or if the lower lot is full, you'll use one of the upper lots. Go past signage telling you to drive slowly and park ahead. Don't pull off the side of the road. Look for the gravel parking lot on your right. This is Lot B for compact and standard-sized vehicles. Orange lines mark the spots. Make sure all 4 tires are off the road. Longer vehicles will go a little further and either parallel park here in Lot C, or if your vehicle is 4-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, you can pull into Lot D at the top of campus. If there's nowhere for you to park appropriately, please park in here, leave your keys on the dash, and inform your teacher or staff member immediately, and someone will help you. If you're camping or glamping on site, you can unload your gear here. Walk it uphill and follow the signs to the campground. Please stay on the paths. You'll pick a campsite or an available bell tent and get yourself oriented. If you're staying in the dormitory, you will find your bed at the top of these stairs. If you're staying in a cottage, consult the map for the location of your assigned room. Class will begin in the teaching pavilion. To leave from the upper lot, first drive uphill. Then you will want to back in towards Lot D to turn around. We hope you come back soon.